Are you dreaming of cruising down the streets of Dubai in a luxurious, shiny new ride? Well, who isn't? But let's face it, not all of us have the deep pockets to make that a reality. That's where the beauty of used cars in Dubai comes in. Dubai is also known for its love of cars and is a hub for some of the world's most luxurious and expensive vehicles. However, not everyone can afford to buy a brand new car. Many residents of Dubai opt to buy used cars, and why not? There are so many great cars out there right now that it's almost impossible to choose your top 5. It's like picking your all-time favorite songs. The list is always changing. However, among the Teslas and the Lamborghinis, the Nissans and the Mini Coopers, there are 5 brands that keep their places in the listings every year. These are cars, SUVs and trucks that are not just great to drive, but are reliable, have the ability to cope with the often extreme weather conditions in the UAE, and offer all-round performance and versatility. Here is our list of the top 5 best cars to buy in the UAE. Number 5. Mitsubishi Attrage. The Mitsubishi Attrage is a subcompact sedan that combines practicality, fuel efficiency, and affordability in one package. Despite its compact size, the Attrage offers generous interior space and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, making it an ideal choice for small families, urban commuters, and anyone looking for an affordable and efficient daily driver. In terms of features, the Mitsubishi Attrage comes equipped with a range of amenities to enhance comfort, convenience, and safety. Standard features include a 7-inch infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, power windows, and a rear-view camera. At the same time, higher trims add features such as automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, and a touchscreen infotainment system. Despite its small size, the Mitsubishi Attrage boasts a spacious and comfortable interior, with ample legroom and headroom for passengers in the front and back seats. Additionally, its 450-liter trunk capacity is one of the largest in its class, providing plenty of space for luggage, groceries, or any other cargo you may need to carry. Considering the price of the vehicle, you can expect to pay anywhere from AED 42,899 to AED 45,399 for a used Mitsubishi Attrage in good condition. Number 4. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic stands tall as one of the automotive industry's enduring success stories, capturing hearts and minds with its remarkable blend of reliability, innovation, and quality craftsmanship. Renowned for its steadfast performance and enduring appeal, the Civic has carved a niche as one of the world's best-selling cars for a reason. It simply doesn't quit. With Honda's unwavering commitment to engineering excellence, the Civic embodies the essence of dependability, making it a trusted companion for countless drivers worldwide. Beyond its reliability, the Civic boasts a reputation for innovation and superior build quality. Whether navigating city streets or cruising along the open road, this versatile vehicle delivers an exceptional driving experience, characterized by efficiency, practicality, and sheer enjoyment. From the daily commute to family adventures, the Civic effortlessly meets the demands of modern life, making it the ideal choice for discerning motorists. Moreover, affordability is a hallmark of the Civic, with pre-owned models consistently in high demand at dealerships. Offering exceptional value for money, the Civic represents an accessible option for those seeking a dependable vehicle without compromising on quality. In the United Arab Emirates, the Civic's price typically ranges from AED 70,000 to AED 100,000 for new models, while pre-owned variants are available at even more attractive prices. In essence, the Honda Civic emerges as a quintessential automotive icon, embodying the perfect balance of performance, reliability, and affordability. Whether embarking on everyday journeys or embarking on unforgettable adventures, the Civic remains a steadfast companion that continues to exceed expectations. Number 3. Kia Seltos. Why settle for an ordinary SUV when you can have the exceptional Kia Seltos? With a choice of 2 engines, including a turbocharged option, this small SUV delivers the power you need for a thrilling ride. And with all-wheel drive available on every trim level, you can confidently take on any terrain. But the Seltos isn't just about power. It also boasts a spacious and well-appointed interior, with an available 10.25-inch touchscreen display, wireless charging, and a premium Bose sound system. And with a maximum cargo capacity of over 60 cubic feet, you'll have plenty of room to haul your gear, groceries, or whatever else you need to transport. Other notable features of the Seltos include available LED headlights and taillights, a suite of advanced safety features, and a stylish design that will turn heads on the road. Additionally, with a starting price of AED 60,000 to AED 70,000, lower than many of its competitors, the Seltos offers incredible value for the money. Number 2. Nissan Patrol. If you're hunting for a second-hand car that can handle anything life throws your way, the Nissan Patrol is the SUV for you. This vehicle is ready for anything with its rugged build and advanced features. The car has a powerful engine, advanced features, and a spacious interior that makes it stand out. One of the unique features of the used Nissan Patrol is its full-time four-wheel drive system, which includes an all-mode 4x4 system and electronic locking rear differential. It means that no matter what terrain you encounter, from dunes to rocky mountains, the Nissan Patrol can easily handle it. Plus, with its impressive towing capacity, you can bring all your favorite toys along for the ride. The vehicle is also a comfortable and spacious SUV that is perfect for families and larger groups. With a maximum seating capacity of 8 and plenty of legroom and headroom, everyone can ride comfortably. Additionally, features like a premium audio system, navigation, and a rear seat entertainment system make long road trips a breeze. A used Nissan Patrol can cost anywhere from AED 80,000 to AED 300,000 for a used Nissan Patrol in good condition. But with its unbeatable combination of rugged capability and luxurious comfort, the Nissan Patrol is truly a vehicle worth the investment. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Looking for a pre-owned car that can keep up with your thirst for adventure? Then Toyota Land Cruiser is a choice for you. This SUV has been tearing up the road for decades, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. The model is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who crave adventure, whether hitting the trails or tackling rough terrain. With a high ground clearance, an advanced four-wheel drive system, and impressive towing capacity, this SUV is ready for whatever adventure comes your way. Not only is it an off-road beast, but the car is also perfect for larger groups, with a spacious interior and a maximum seating capacity of 8. What sets the Land Cruiser apart from other SUVs is its unparalleled reliability. No matter where your adventures take you, you can trust that the Land Cruiser will get you there and back again, time and time again. And let's not forget about the cool features. This SUV is packed with them. You'll be riding in style with a 14-speaker JBL audio system, a 9-inch touchscreen display, and a rear seat entertainment system. Additionally, the panoramic sunroof and heated steering wheel make this SUV feel like a luxury vehicle. If you're in the UAE automotive market for a used Toyota Land Cruiser in the UAE, the price can vary depending on the model, year, mileage, and condition. But on average, you can pay around AED 100,000 to AED 350,000 for a used Land Cruiser. Well, that's a wrap, folks. We've covered the top 5 popular used cars in Dubai. And if you're in the market for a pre-loved ride, you now have some seriously fantastic options. That's all from today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more such content. Thanks for watching.